Value chain analysis is a strategy tool used to understand how a business creates value for its customers. Let's break down the process. At its core, value is simply the gap between what a customer is willing to pay and the cost of delivering that product. By auditing every step of your operations, you can identify hidden costs and find ways to boost your overall profit margins. Primary activities are the physical actions involved in creating, selling, and supporting a product or service. While primary activities handle the product directly, support activities provide the infrastructure and systems that keep the entire business running smoothly. Visualizing where money is spent helps managers identify which stages of the chain require the most optimization or investment. Remember, the ultimate goal is to offer something unique that justifies a higher price or provides a better customer experience. Understanding your value chain is essential for any business owner. Subscribe for more money basics and follow us for future updates.